As a leader, your success is dependent on how you lead people, how they follow your strategy. And there, listening is a critical skill as a leader to be able to lead teams, have the empathy, have the trust from the team. So today, that's what I'm going to share with you through a 3-step process. Make sure you listen all the way till the last step because it's very, very important. Before we move on, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get regular tips on career and leadership success. I am Meera Ramani. I'm an executive coach who helps clients have the income, impact, and influence that they desire in their careers. So, coming back to listening, it's such an important skill, isn't it? But none of us are taught the basics, even at our MBA schools. But don't worry, I'm going to share with you the 3-level framework. So a lot of us tend to operate in the first level. That's why we get stuck. Our people don't feel cared for. We don't develop the trust in our teams and they don't follow us. That's why our leadership falls ineffective, falls flat on the face. So make sure you're not in level 1. But what is level 1? Level 1 listening is very shallow listening. Let's say you and I are in a conversation. I am talking to you and you're talking to me. We are in a one-to-one conversation but I'm just not listening. Imagine how you will feel, right? You may be saying something, but I could be looking elsewhere. I could be distracted on my phone, or I could be looking at my notepad, just paying like some scant attention to you, but not really paying attention. Or I could actually be nodding along, but you could see that I'm not listening to you. My mind is elsewhere. Probably I'm thinking of the pizza I'm about to order, or the to-do list, or the fire I have about to fight. So I'm not paying attention to you, and you as an intuitive human being can sense that. Now imagine if your team member feels that way. They don't feel like you care for them. They don't feel that you care for their challenges. They don't feel that you have their back. Why would they feel motivated to work for you? That is why you need to go deeper. Now let's go one level deeper into level 2 of listening, where you and I, let's say, are again in conversation and I'm listening to you. You're important to me. This conversation is not just about me thinking about my pizza or what to say next, or it's not all about me in my head. I'm not elsewhere. I'm sitting here listening to you. I'm hearing the words. I'm nodding along. I'm probably making notes and making eye contact. And I know that I'm sending the right signals, that I'm making you feel important and you feel that way as well. You know that I care for you, that I'm asking interested questions, etc., etc. So you see, the trust and the care is deeper. The trust you feel in me and the care I'm showing towards you. So you are much more likely to respect me as a leader if I do that, right? Because I've heard what you said, I'm showing the willingness to support you. Now the third level goes a lot deeper. Now don't be in a hurry to jump from level 1 to level 3. This is a matter of practice. Like in karate, you go from one kind of belt to the other. This takes practice, but with intention, you can get to level 3 really, really soon. Now level 3, what is that mysterious level 3? In level 2, you've already discovered that you go into deep listening, where you're hearing the words, you're nodding along, you're paraphrasing, asking interested questions, etc., etc., offering solutions, for instance. But in level 3, you sort of read the room. You go beyond the spoken word. So let's say I'm listening to you and I'm sensing that you're speaking some words, but it doesn't match your body language. For example, I'm asking you, hey Neeraj, how are you doing? And I'm sensing you're in a hurry to slip away from that question. You're like, yeah, I'm okay. What I wanted to present today is this. I'm like, hey Neeraj, hold on. I care about you. Tell me, what's been happening? I sense that you look a little tired, or there's something bothering you. Can you tell me a little bit more? So I've gone into a lot deeper than just listening to the words where Neeraj says I'm okay. I'm not stopping there and then going with the flow. I'm just saying, hey, hold on a minute. There is something happening. His body language and his words don't match. He seems tired, stressed, something. I'm catching something in the atmosphere, that's not spoken. It's reading the room. And I have the courage to ask the person that question. So that person may or may not open up, but at least I've given him the opportunity to share with me if there is something I can support with, even if I can just listen. So that is a third level of listening, where I go a lot deeper than listening to the words. Now, like I said, like in karate, you go up the levels, and if you can observe yourself today, at which level do you tend to operate? If you can go a level deeper than in the next conversation and observe yourself and give yourself that gentle nudge to go into levels 2 and 3 of listening, You will listen better as a human being, as a leader. Your people will love you. Whether it's a team, whether it's another team who doesn't report to you, whether it's your senior stakeholder, whether it's your vendors, whether it's your customers, doesn't matter. You will be loved and respected more. And that's what you need for you to succeed as a leader, right? To have the income, impact, and influence you desire, and also feel fulfilled in your job. So I hope this helped. If this helped, consider coming to my free masterclass, which is on confidence and busting the imposter syndrome. I'll see you in my next video. All the best.